Look at how small that thing is. It's not even the size of my... Look at how tiny this thing is. When you saw this on the plate, you actually would think it's a frog. Imagine going to the restaurant and ordering for, I want 6 quail drums. I didn't people eat quail, but we're gonna try it today. Look at how small that thing is. It's not even the size of my fist. Wow. Let's take a bite. It actually tastes good. Look at how tiny this thing is. When you saw this on the plate, you actually would think it's a frog. It is really tiny. I never thought they even eat quails. Tell me something. Would you eat this? Would you really order for this? But I must say, it should taste good. It was well roasted. I actually was wondering why to eat, but then when I was scrolling through the food app, I came across the quail. I even rarely see these bars. There's barely any meat from it. Oh, I think I just ate the neck. whoever roasted this really did a good job. If only there's more meat on it. Also, if you had strong jaws, you would put the entire thing in your mouth and eat it. I don't believe I'm eating this. Look at how tiny it is. Oh. Crazy. But for the love of food, I'm definitely gonna eat it. This must be the wing. This might be thigh. Well, if it was chicken, I'll call this a chicken drum. But since it's a quail, probably it's a quail drum. Imagine going to the restaurant, I'm ordering for, I want 6 quail drums.